Hello, and welcome back to the forefront of digital innovation. Today we're plunging into the mesmerizing realm of artificial intelligence with a groundbreaking tool, the AI Agent's AI Image Art Generator. Unveiling the magic, this ingenious tool breathes life into the ordinary, morphing mundane images into breathtaking masterpieces. It's all about the transformative power of AI, and we're here to witness it. Observe the metamorphosis unfold. The AI Agent's AI Image Art Generator takes a humble photo and morphs it into a work of art that not only catches the eye but captivates the soul. Drawing inspiration from the greats, Van Gogh, Picasso, and more, the tool employs AI to emulate their iconic brushstrokes and techniques. The result? A mesmerizing fusion of technology and creativity. But the magic doesn't stop there. The AI Agent's AI Image Art Generator also hands over the reins of customization to you. Play with style intensity, tweak the color palette, make it truly yours. And the cherry on top, you don't need to be an artist to harness its power. Its user-friendly interface is a welcoming canvas for all, whether you're a novice or a seasoned creator. Now you must be wondering, how can I experience this marvel? Simply follow the link in the description below to land on the AI Agent's website and embark on your artistic journey. We're wrapping up today's exploration of AI innovation. Remember to hit the like button, subscribe, and ring the notification bell to stay updated on the latest in AI. Until then, stay curious, keep creating, and embrace the wonders of artificial intelligence. And before we say goodbye, remember that purchasing through the link below not only supports the channel, but also grants you a complimentary high-quality ebook on AI tools. Until next time, happy optimizing.